Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about Android application development cycle. Now let's begin. So once we have written our Java source code, then that Java source code is compiled with the help of Java compiler, and Java compiler actually compiles our Java source code and make Java bytecode. So that Java bytecode is actually passes through DEX compiler, which actually generates a Dalvik bytecode. So if you remember that in the previous videos I talked about that Android application is a Dalvik executable file. So what it means? So it means that the Java bytecode is actually converted into Dalvik executable code, which actually helps to run the Android application in Dalvik virtual machine. So you can see here that once we got our Java bytecode, this Java bytecode is actually passes through the DEX compiler, which generates Dalvik bytecode, and these Dalvik bytecodes is actually has this extension, that is .dex. So .des extension means that it's a Dalvik executable. So once we got our Dalvik executable file, then what we will do, we will actually zip all the files into an APK package, and then that APK package is actually used in order to install any Android application. So in this video we'll talk about that how Android application development cycle works. So thanks for watching this video.